Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to develop the importance of a self-management in the creation of projects and business models. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, self-management is a development of a concept. It got the following characteristics. It is a concept that allows to develop by your own means and resources a project, a service, a product, or a business model without depending of third parties. Many people condition their development depending on their incorporation of a partner, investor, or external variables to be able to execute your idea. This condition it's very restricted and is not achievable if you always depend of someone. The vast majority of projects are self-managed by individuals or organizations, although a significant percentage require a third party to be carried out. Today we will focus on self-management progress projects and their advantages. Okay, so when we talk about self-management, it's a concept that I personally believe it's extremely important because it will allow you to create what you like and what you believe. If the project work in the future, it will need some investment, but at least the beginning, it doesn't depend of nobody else. So before I start explaining this video, if you like our content, please subscribe to our channel, like our video, turn on the bell because it will help us a lot with everything that we develop day by day. Okay, so when we talk about self-management, we are talking about just one person or one organization. So it really means that from the business idea or the business model or the product or service depend of just one person. Of course, an organization can also develop their own development. However, it's important that at least in the first stage depend of just by itself. It's very important that you believe in what you are going to do. If you want to develop your product, your service, or your business model, you really have to believe in what you are doing and you are gonna keep pushing. It doesn't matter what happened. Also, it's extremely important that you develop the plan, that you define the route, because many people got intention, but that is not enough to create what you are doing to do and you want to pursue. So the first thing that you have to do and understand is that when you self-manage something, your decisions depend on yourself. It means that you have autonomy in what to do and what not to do. Then also the benefits, if you are just working for yourself or for your organization, the benefits that are economy and acknowledgement or rewards, it will be on the company or just for yourself. That is something very, very good as well, because when there's too many people involved in a project, everybody got an opinion, and also it's extremely hard to have a clear route of the development. Finally, the most important thing is that too many people are always keep waiting for the perfect moment to everything is in place. That is something that is not realistic. It means that if everything goes well, you assume the success. But also, if everything goes wrong, you also are aware and you are conditioned that the responsibility is just yours. The idea here, I always recommend to self-management projects because people always say like, no, I need this, I need that, and that's why they don't do anything. You have to throw yourself to the river and try to swim and do not drown. You always have to keep pushing and create different ways to create something different. So I believe that is extremely important and it will help you a lot. As a conclusion, we can say that self-manage allows not to condition the execution of a project to a third party. That is extremely important because sometimes people say like, no, I don't do this because of this. I don't do this because of that. Also, it has a disadvantage that case development failed the consequence and fall only in one person. I, that is one of the disadvantages that it got, because if the things don't work, you don't have anyone to blame, just yourself. It has the advantage that if the things go well, all benefits occur to one element. And that is something that I believe is very important, because many times people believe and think that that is a big reward, that just if the things are successful, you can take credit, full credit of that. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Remember that every Monday we have a new video in Spanish. Every Thursday we have a new video in English.